Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. Firstly, you have to open your phone, then go to contacts, select the contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to add a photo for it. Then you can select if you want to take a photo or choose a photo. Let's select the photo. Then you have to adjust it and tap done, and then save. And as you can see, photo added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.